Hi everyone, happy Monday, happy Martin Luther King Day. This is Janet Wakeland with Remarkably Created, and I wanted to pop on real quick and share an amazing card kit. I had a post earlier today that focused on colors, and this kit definitely also brings the colors. It's a $13 kit and it's called Saying Thanks, and it has everything that you need to make some amazing cards. So we'll take a look at the cards and some alternative ideas in a minute, but let's take a look first at this great kit. First, it comes in a really fun, nice, amazing box for storing all kinds of wonderful things or turning inside out and repurposing for gift giving. And then inside, packaged up, you're going to find the paper supplies to make these wonderful 9 cards with envelopes. You're going to have some really fun embellishments and some twine. So let's go ahead and let's open this little package together and take a look exactly at all of the supplies. Now this kit has pre-printed greetings. It's not like a paper pumpkin kit that has an exclusive stamp set. We do have those types of kits as well. This is just a great card making kit. This would be a fun kit if you're looking for some really fun quick thank yous after the holidays. Thank yous post a birthday or something like that. So again, full color pictures, and then you do have full color step-by-step instructions on the inside for you. Then you have these really fun pre-printed envelopes. Look at that, I get a little bit of 60s vibe going on there. Isn't that fun? And then you have pre-printed note cards. You have 3 different designs. We have this fun rainbow print. We have this kind of watercolor effect. And then look at those little rainbow colored paint drops. So those are the cards. They are pre-scored, pre-cut. They're a standard 5.5 by 4.25. And they're nice and white on the inside. You don't need to layer another piece on the inside to add your greeting. You're going to have greeting in different languages just because Stampin' Up! Is a global country. But you'll be able to pick the greetings off in your language. So in this case here in the US, of course, we would pick English. Although I've also had some fun, and I've had customers in the past use these for foreign language classes, for the foreign language teachers at school, for the foreign language clubs and things like that. So sometimes having these foreign languages are a lot of fun. You've got some more of those. And then you have some pre-printed cards that when the hearts are popped out, they can lay over top of one of the prints so that those show through. Then you also have some of these foam strips because you've got some long skinny greetings that you're going to want to be using these on. So these are fun. You've got some white twine. Look at these cool embellishments, guys. I'd love to see these as a regular item. These are just so much fun. And then let me flip this over again. You've got a couple of longer foam strips. So let's take a look at what this fun $13 kit can make for you. So first, this is the suggested card. This is one of the ones that the card kit was designed to make. Was just wanted to say thank you with the white twine behind it and the die cut ready to go and ready to use. Then this is the other one from the kit, using the thanks, you're the best, and again that white twine. And then this is the one where the hearts get popped out, and then you've got that print behind it. And then I went ahead and had some fun just to show you. Make 3 the way the kit's meant to be, and then use the cardstock to have a little bit of fun. I used the rainbow colored dots here to inspire coloring our best ever kitty, who's celebrating a birthday. So look at that fun little kitty. And of course he had to wobble. You know me and my wobbles. Definitely addicted. This one here, I used the Covered in Sunshine, and the greetings fit perfectly on there. Look at that. Just a nice, flat, fun card. This actually looks like something you would pick up in the store, doesn't it? It's just so professional looking. And then for this one here, this is the piece that the hearts would normally be behind. And in this case, I just embossed the greeting. This is the other greeting from this set here. And I just added a few flower embellishments. So Definitely a fun kit. I put the code up in the description for you. But again, it's just $13, so it would be a great add-on. For those of you looking for a little retail therapy, especially with it being celebration right now, this kit would be a great one for you to add and to have for creating. I can't wait to play around with some more cards. I actually ordered a couple of the kits myself after I saw how much fun these were, so I can't wait to make some cards. Some of you may see these cards showing up in your mailbox. So thanks for popping on, guys. I will see you later in the week for our blending brush tips number 2 on Friday at 2 p.m. Have an awesome week, guys.